Hi guys, question 25 here. Our answer is 3.65 milliliters to 2 decimal places. So with this question, guys, it's the displacement type one. I have a few more examples. Please see the playlist. So with this question, what's happened is we need to prepare an IV solution where we have sodium valproate that has a concentration of 100 milligrams per milliliter. We then need to calculate how much water for injections we need that should be added to the vial in milliliters and then give our answer 2 decimal places as well. So step one, what do we know? We need to calculate how much water for injections we need. And from the displacement, so a brief summary of displacement is that if it has a displacement value, in this case, our value is 0.7 mils per 800 milligrams, then the sodium valproate will take 0.7 mils per 800 milligrams. This must be deducted from the final volume. So we'll have a vial that contains water for injections and sodium valproate, but we need the water for injections only. So we need to calculate how much water for injections we need to dilute the vial. We know that each vial contains 400 milligrams and we need a concentration of 100 milligrams per mil. So if it's 100 milligrams per mil and we know that each vial contains 400, then it'll be 400 milligrams per 4 milliliters. That is in step two. So from step two, we know that we need 4 milliliters of water for injections. However, calculating the displacement volume, which is what the sodium valproate will replace the water for injections by, will give us how much water for injections we need. So the displacement volume of sodium valproate, which is 0.7 milliliters per 800 milligrams, becomes 0.35 milliliters per 400 milligrams because we need 400 milligrams per 4 mil. So therefore, per 400 milligrams, sodium valproate will replace 0.35 milliliters. So that is why we need to subtract water for injections 4 milliliters, volume that sodium valproate will take up 0.35 milliliters, deduct the 2, we get 3.65 milliliters to 2 decimal places. Answer is correct, we have our answer in milliliters and to 2 decimal places. Hope you found that useful. See you guys soon.